Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I made this hot milk cake. So easy, very soft and yummy. You need to try this, you will thank me later. If today is your first time of watching my video, click the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to be getting a lot of my new video. Any day I post new video, you will get an alert. To my old subscribers, you're welcome back again. Let's get started. Ingredients for this cake: we have 150 grams of icing sugar. We'll be using icing sugar today. 60 grams of butter, your margarine, 60 grams of it. Baking powder, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. 2 eggs. 130 grams of flour. Half cup of milk. And that is all. Start preheating your oven before you start mixing. Add the icing sugar bit by bit as you cream. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder to your flour. Add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Start adding in your flour bit by bit as you cream. Finally, add in your milk mixture and you mix together. Grease your pan and you line with baking paper before you pour in your batter. Tap a little on your table, bake for 30 minutes before you start shaking. Our cake is ready. Hot milk cake. Wow, looking so yummy, so soft. If today is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? You're welcome to join this progressive family just to be getting a lot of our new video coming soon. If you can check our channel, you'll notice this channel is fully loaded for you. Just click the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, click on all notifications to be getting a lot of our new video. If I post any new video, you will get an alert. Thank you so much for watching this video. To my old subscribers, don't forget to like this video, feel free to comment, feel free to share to your friends, and feel free to ask questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.